What's good, guys? I'm Nyjah Houston. I'm gonna take you upstairs in my closet, show you a few items. Let's get it. This is my room. We got some of my first pro model shoes right here. Lots of colors, mostly Nike stuff, you know. This right here is my trophy room. All the winnings over the years. Got the good vibes. Got my little gaming setup. ROG hooked me up with this custom laptop. Chilling here, play some games sometimes, answer some emails, kick it. This thing is sick. And this is my garage. This is my dirt bike. This thing goes. And then we got the beast right here, the big car. Pack all the homies in this, go skating, road trips. Always important to have a big car like that. That's it, guys. I'm gonna go get a session. I'll see you guys later.